This year, Musicians Edition has partnered up with the Gift of Music Foundation. We're helping to spread music education by donating instruments to kids who can't afford them. You can help by making a simple donation, which will help us fix up instruments and hand them on to the kids, or you can donate an instrument you have lying around. Click the middle box to send your donation in today.